Hey, there you are. I was starting to get a little bit worried. Oh, yeah. Here, I bought some of the walkover. Thanks. Oh, are you gonna come back? It's been a week and everyone's worried. I just need a few more days. No big deal. Are you okay? You look a little... I mean, with everything's happening, it's normal to... I'm fine. Just been having bad headaches. A little under the weather. It's nothing. Well, if you need anything, you can call me. On other news, police continue to work tirelessly and have spared no effort in finding missing student Remus. Last week, Remus has been reported missing and last seen on campus grounds with friends. The chief investigator of Akumatoshi has called to the incident an unusual occurrence. He urged community to come forward to any member of the police force as any information is held. Oh, hey Jay. I'm just finishing up here. I was about to come get you so we can finish this together. You know, it's already getting pretty late, and I have to head out soon. Oh. Are you okay? You look a little stressed. It's just a headache. Don't worry about me. Oh. Alright. Well, be sure to take care of that. I'll call you if I need anything. I'll be downstairs. You know, you don't have to leave so soon. Or you can stay, or whatever you want. Hello? I can see you.
I can too. Who exactly are you going to call, especially after what you did?
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything.
Then why? Why are you so scared? Why are you hiding here? Why have you trapped yourself in your own prison.
You need to leave.
You need to leave. You're suffocating. He can't leave it. A stench. A stench. Come on. Come on.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Look at yourself. You think by keeping it here it changes what you've done. You're falling apart.
No.
They keep coming around. The stench is getting worse. They are worried about the both of you. But more so for Latina.
No.
Soon they're going to realize where he went and why he didn't come home.
He's just finishing up.
No. You never wanted him to leave. You never wanted to be alone.
He's gonna go home soon enough.
And now, even your eyes betray you.
He's alright.
You never wanted him to leave. You know what you wanted. You never wanted
No, he's still Lord.
But you are. He trusted you. And look where that got him. Look at him. Admit it.
And that's a wrap, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is such a harsh light. We done. It's literally 2:33. Whatever. It's like 10 p.m. I've been filming since 8 a.m. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad we got this done in the day. I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished product. But like, if you've seen this, you probably saw the finished product. I mean, obviously I ended this looking crazy and stuff. And now my throat hurts from deeping in it all day. I think it's so crazy right now, but I'm so excited for this, and yeah, yay! Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you have any ideas for if you have any ideas for short films, sure, you can let me know down below and stuff. I can't even speak right now. I didn't even eat today. I'm like literally so hungry and thirsty, and my throat is dry and painful and sore, and I have so much editing to do. I can't even fathom right now, man. But I'm just so glad this is done. My throat is really sore. Don't deepen your voice for like nonsense like I did. Because like it was really sore now, obviously, because I don't speak in that tone register all the time, and I had to like literally for the whole day and stuff. But yeah, this is such a rewarding thing, and I learned a lot actually with filming and stuff. But there's a lot of things that I wanted to do, but I was just so tired. I think I have too many characters, but it's fine. It's alright. Everybody have a good day, night, morning, afternoon, and take care of yourself. I love you. I will see you, and bye. What else? Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe and share the video. That would be highly appreciated, guys. I really worked hard on this project. Well, I am going to work on it, but I know I worked hard already, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys, any filmmakers or people who know film stuff, if you guys have constructive criticism for me, I appreciate that, especially about audio and stuff like that. I'm using like microphones and stuff like that. So, I'm always looking to grow and be better. So, constructive criticism, alright, is appreciated. So, I love you guys. Bye. Sachi over and out.